In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. We'll be using Zapier to create a simple automation that takes a new task from Microsoft To Do and sends it into Google Calendar as a detailed event. This is a great way to keep your tasks and schedule aligned in one workflow, especially if you rely on your calendar to stay organized throughout the day. To get started, head over to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, look for the Create button and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Zaps. This will open the Zap editor where you can build your automation from start to finish. Inside the editor, begin by clicking on Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. So in this case, we want Zapier to watch Microsoft To Do for new tasks. In the app search field, type Microsoft To Do, then select Microsoft To Do from the results. Next, click on the field labeled Choose an Event. From the available options, select New Task. This tells Zapier that every time a new task is created in Microsoft To Do, the automation should begin. After that, click Sign in so you can connect your Microsoft To Do account to Zapier. Make sure you authorize the connection fully so Zapier can access the task data it needs. Once the trigger is in place, move on to the next part by clicking Action. The action is what happens after the trigger, and here we want that action to happen in Google Calendar. Select Google Calendar as the action app. Now click. Choose an event again, this time for Google Calendar. From the list of actions, select Create Detailed Event. This option is helpful because it gives you more flexibility when creating calendar entries from your tasks, which can make the automation more useful later on. Then click Sign in to connect your Google Calendar account to Zapier. As with the previous sign-in, be sure to complete the authorization process so the integration can work properly. At this point, the basic connection between Microsoft To Do and Google Calendar has been set up. The final step is to click Publish. Publishing turns the Zap on so it can begin running automatically in the background. And that's it. You've now connected Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar using Zapier. Once it's live, new tasks from Microsoft To Do can flow directly into your calendar workflow, helping you stay more organized and keep everything in sync.